Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you the latest in tech and gaming gear. Today, we're checking out the ASUS TUF Gaming F16, a laptop that brings a lot to the table for gamers and power users alike. With a 16-inch FHD plus 65Hz IPS-Level display, Intel's 14650HX processor, and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 GPU, it's designed to tackle demanding tasks and offer a smooth gaming experience. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. At the core of this machine is the Intel Core i7-14650HX processor. This 10-core, 16-thread CPU is built for high-performance tasks, from intensive gaming to heavy productivity workloads. It's part of Intel's 4th-gen HX series, which focuses on delivering top-tier performance for gaming laptops. If you're multitasking or pushing the system with applications like video editing software or 3D rendering tools, you'll appreciate how this chip can handle it all without breaking a sweat. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5050 GPU is another key highlight. While it may not be the absolute highest-end option, it's more than capable of running most modern games at high settings. For those of you looking to game at 1080p with ultra settings, this GPU delivers smooth frame rates, especially when paired with the laptop's 165Hz display. But it's not just about gaming. If you're into creative work like video editing or 3D rendering, the RTX 5050's ray tracing capabilities and support for CUDA cores will make your workflow a lot faster and more efficient. Speaking of the display, the 16-inch FHD Plus panel stands out with its 165Hz refresh rate and 16:10 aspect ratio. The higher refresh rate is a game changer for fluid motion, especially when playing fast-paced games like first-person shooters or racing titles. The 16:10 aspect ratio is a nice bonus for productivity tasks, offering more vertical screen space than a traditional 16:9 display. Colors are vibrant thanks to the IPS-Level technology, which ensures good viewing angles and decent color accuracy. While it may not be an OLED panel, the screen is still more than capable of delivering a pleasant viewing experience, whether you're gaming or watching your favorite shows. Now let's talk about the memory and storage. The 16GB DDR5 RAM should be plenty for most users, whether you're running multiple tabs, juggling office tasks, or editing photos and videos. DDR5 offers faster speeds compared to DDR4, which means smoother multitasking and quicker file transfers. The 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD provides more than enough space for your games, media files, and applications. With PCIe Gen 4, read and write speeds are significantly faster than older SATA SSDs, so you can expect near-instant load times and snappy performance across the board. On the connectivity front, the ASUS TUF Gaming F16 has Wi-Fi 6E, which is the latest standard for faster and more reliable wireless internet connections. This is a huge advantage for online gaming, streaming, or any task that requires a stable, high-speed internet connection. The ports are also well thought out, with plenty of USB-A and USB-C ports, plus an HDMI 2.1 port for connecting external monitors. This is ideal if you plan to use the laptop for gaming on a bigger screen or for connecting peripherals like a mouse, keyboard, or headset. When it comes to thermals and noise, ASUS has designed this laptop with cooling in mind. The fans can get a little noisy under load, but they do a good job of keeping the system cool, even when pushing the CPU and GPU during long gaming sessions. The keyboard deck and underside may get warm, but not excessively so. If you're using it for extended gaming or heavy workloads, the cooling system does a solid job of preventing thermal throttling, although you may notice some mild dips in performance after extended use. Battery life is always a concern with gaming laptops, and with a 90-watt-hour battery, the ASUS TUF Gaming F16 delivers a solid performance. During light office work, you can expect around 7 to 8 hours of battery life. Under heavier loads like gaming, expect more like 2 to 3 hours. That's decent for a gaming laptop of this caliber, but if you're a frequent traveler or plan on using this away from a charger for extended periods, you'll likely need to keep the charger handy. As for the keyboard and trackpad, the TUF Gaming F16 doesn't disappoint. The keyboard is comfortable for long typing sessions, with good key travel and a responsive feel. The layout is standard, but the function keys are easy to reach, and the arrow keys are properly spaced for gaming. The trackpad is large enough to be practical and palm rejection works well. It's not the most premium-feeling trackpad out there, but it's perfectly functional for general use. If you're gaming, though, you'll probably prefer a mouse for the best experience. Now, let's talk about the real-world performance for a moment. In terms of FPS, the TUF Gaming F16 shines in titles like Call of Duty Warzone, Cyberpunk 2077, and Alan Wake 2. On ultra settings at 1080p, the laptop can push around 100 to 120 FPS on most titles, depending on the settings and whether upscaling technologies like DLSS or FSR are enabled. This makes it more than capable of providing a smooth gaming experience on the 165Hz display. Keep in mind that the system will heat up a bit under these loads, but as mentioned earlier, it manages thermal throttling quite well in most cases. In terms of value for money, the ASUS TUF Gaming F16 is a solid choice in the mid-range gaming laptop market. It's not the most expensive gaming laptop out there, but it delivers a good balance of power, display quality, and cooling. Competing models like the MSI Pulse GL66 and Lenovo Legion 5 offer similar specs at comparable prices, but the TUF Gaming F16's 165Hz display and solid build quality give it an edge in gaming performance. The build quality is typical for ASUS's TUF series, rugged with a matte finish that resists fingerprints and smudges. The laptop feels sturdy without being overly heavy, which is great for those who need to carry it around for work or school. The design is slightly bulky, but that's expected for a gaming laptop, especially one with this level of performance. So, who is the TUF Gaming F16 best for? If you're a gamer who needs a machine that can handle demanding titles at high settings, this laptop will definitely get the job done. It's also a good choice for content creators who need the power of an Intel Core i7 processor and an RTX GPU for tasks like photo and video editing. Students or office users who need something portable might want to consider alternatives that are lighter and have better battery life. But for gamers and creators, this laptop is a solid option. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out the link to this laptop in the comments box. If you have any questions or if you've already used the TUF Gaming F16, let us know your thoughts in the comments below. See you next time on Reviews Inside TV.